guys, today we want to make a delicious cupcake. I promise you guys never make this cupcake before I start the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You really help me. Let's make this delicious cupcake. First we need oil and then we need sugar. And then we mix it. After mixing, we add the eggs and then we mix it again. And then we need cardamom powder and yogurt. We mix it again and then we add the flour 300 grams. First we have to mix it with hand, but then we add the baking powder and we can mix it with mixer. After mix, we add the rose water 30 grams and we mix it again. At the end, we pour our ingredients into the mold. Place it into the oven at 160 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. I hope you guys like this video and I will see you guys in next video. Goodbye.